Hey YouTubers, it's me, Mustin07, coming at you once again through the power of OBS Recording Studios. And in this video, I'm going to be starting a new series called Blender Basics, where we just go through and I show you how to make various objects and items in Blender. And for the first episode of this series, I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic train wheel set in Blender. And it's going to be a steam locomotive wheel. So, I guess we should get started. So first what we want to do is we want to delete the cube because we won't be needing it. And in order to make an effective looking steam locomotive wheel, it's best that you use a template or background of blueprints, one of those. I'm just going to go to add, go to image, then go to background. You can select any image from your computer in order to be the background. And in my case, I selected this, which is an O-class engine. It's from Eastern Europe, and I'm intending to model it because I intend to add it into immersive railroading as my own little add-on. Now we want to go to add again and add a mesh, and we're going to want to add a cylinder. And of course, because it's the wrong orientation, we're just gonna rotate it 90 degrees. There you go. And you want the scale to be half of what the diameter of the wheel of the engine you're trying to model is. For example, the O-class engine has a wheel diameter of about 1.2 meters, so we would want to do 0.6 meters because 0.6 is half of that. And for this, because this is z-axis and its thickness, like this is a bit too thick, so we're just gonna change it to 0.09. There we go. Now we have this cylinder, which is the start of the wheel. But this locomotive blueprint is not up to scale. So what I recommend doing is going into wireframe, selecting your background image, dragging it up, and then just move it until it's roughly where you want it to be. It's okay if it's like not totally perfect, but try your best to make sure that it's perfect. Like this, I think this is the best I can do. So there we have it. Then what we want to do is we're going to want to go back to viewport shading and then hit tab. So that way we're in edit mode now. And now in edit mode we want to go to face select, which is that key. Then we want to hit shift on both sides of these faces. Then hit the I key to inset. So then we have this little menu, and I recommend going 0.67, somewhere around there. Because if you go to wireframe, you can see it's kind of roughly on the middle part, which is what we want. Then what we want to do is we just want to click out of that, then hit Control R, create a loop cut, move the loop cut to right about here so that way you can make the outer rim of the wheel. Make sure it's roughly at the right place, something like that. Then what you want to do is you want to do it on the other side as well. Somewhere like right there. There. And now I found the best way to get rid of the faces is to do that. Right click and hit delete edges and it'll disappear them. And there you have it. We now have this wheel, but it's not exactly very good looking yet because it's hollow in here. And it doesn't have any faces in through here, but that's something that we will work on. However, this is the end of this short little Blender Basics episode, so stay tuned for the next one where we add the faces and the spokes and everything. So stay tuned for more videos, and goodbye.